It's becoming increasingly frustrating for homeowners trying to find affordable property insurance. And now some Floridians are getting unwanted news telling them Nationwide Insurance will not be renewing their homeowner insurance policy. So ABC Action News reporter Rebecca Petit takes a deeper look at why insurers are withdrawing from the state and what you should do if you get that dreaded letter saying you've been dropped.
Our existing insurance company dropped us and we needed to get new insurance.
All year, we've heard from many of you about the frustrations you've faced with insurance.
We shopped and a lot of companies didn't want to take us. And we finally got one. We're paying more than we were paying. But it was, we went through a lot of hardship to try to get insurance.
Insuring a home in Florida is getting more challenging. Nationwide just joined a list of companies that are ending some homeowner insurance policies in the state. The announcement highlights the insurance crisis Florida residents have been facing for the past 18 months.
They're just not making money in Florida. So the weather losses, as well as the litigious environment in Florida, has made it very unprofitable for a lot of homeowners insurance carriers.
According to the Insurance Information Institute, Florida accounts for 79% of insurance lawsuits filed, with only 21% in the rest of the country. I reached out to Nationwide Insurance about their decision to not renew some Florida policies. In an emailed statement, Nationwide leaders tell us inflation and market disruptions impact insurance just like they do any other business. In many instances, this means we are updating our rates. It also means we are being more selective about where we write certain amounts of business and the amount of overall risk we are willing to write. If you've been notified that your insurance policy will not be renewed, Karen Rowling, president of Cyber Insurance Agency, says it's important to start looking for replacement coverage right away. She recommends to first get a new 4-point inspection done to get a better quote.
And that will tell you how old things are that the new insurance company really cares about, which is the roof, the HVAC system, the plumbing, and the electrical.
Rowling says be prepared for a large rate increase. A depleted supply is partly responsible for driving up premiums.
The pricing that we're getting is 3 times what they were paying with Nationwide, and unfortunately the coverage is somewhat limited compared to what they had.
While many companies are still reluctant to write new policies in Florida, there are positive signs.
We are starting to see some positive light at the end of a very long tunnel.
Mark Friedlander with the Insurance Information Institute tells me Florida insurance regulators just approved 6 new companies to begin writing property insurance policies in Florida starting in 2024. You can see them here. And Florida's insurer of last resort, Citizens, is offloading policies.
In the past, in most cases, if your company dropped your policy at the end of the term, you landed with Citizens. You had no choice but to move to Citizens. Now, starting in the first quarter of 2024, you will have some options. So it will be a brighter picture for many consumers.
I'm Rebecca Petit, ABC Action News.